Alright students, so we are continuing with exercise 12.2. Now let us go to question number 8. You have to evaluate all these expressions. So question number 8.1 says 1000 to the power minus 1 by 3. Okay, so this is very simple. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. So 10 cube to the power minus 1 by 3. This powers 3 and 3 can be cancelled. So 10 to the power minus 1. 10 to the power minus 1. Now you must know this property. A to the power minus 1 is obviously 1 by A. So applying the same concept, 10 to the power minus 1 will be 1 by 10. Isn't it? Okay, now let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 says 81 by 625 whole to the power minus 1 by 4. Now we know that 81 is 3 to the power 4 and 625 is 5 to the power 4 whole to the power minus 1 by 4. This can be further written as 3 by 5 whole to the power 4 again whole to the power minus 1 by 4. This 4 and 4 cancel. So I am left with 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 1. Isn't it? Now this power is negative. If I have to make this power positive, I have to take the reciprocal of the base. So this will be 5 by 3 whole to the power 1 positive. That means 5 by 3. Okay, so this is question number 2. Now question number 3 has some problems, so you can skip this question for now and let's go to question number 4. The 4 says 6561 by 256 whole to the power minus 5 by 8. Now you have to prime factorize 6561 and 256 and you will realize if you do prime factorization 6561 is 3 to the power 8 and 256 is 2 to the power 8. Again you have minus 5 to the power 8. Then this can be written as 3 by 2 whole to the power 8 again whole to the power minus 5 by 8. 8 and 8 cancel. So I am left with 3 by 2 whole to the power minus 5. Now if I make the power positive, 2 by 3 whole to the power 5. I have to take the reciprocal. 2 to the power 5 is 32 and 3 to the power 5 is 729. So this is the final answer, 32 by 729. Done. So this is all about question number 8. Now let's go to question number 9. Alright, so now question number 9, you have to simplify these expressions again. Let's take the first one, 125 whole to the power minus 2 by 3 into 27 whole to the power minus 2 by 3. So 125 to আমি কেনেকৈ ভাঙিব পাৰিম 5 cube. So 5 cube whole to the power minus 2 by 3. And how can I split 27? 3 cube. 3 cube whole to the power minus 2 by 3. So now 3 and 3 cancel over. Yato 3 and 3 cancel over. So you are left with 5 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power minus 2. 5 to the power minus 2 mane 1 by 5 square. Or 3 to the power minus 2 mane 1 by 3 square. So 1 by 5 square mane 1 by 25. 1 by 3 square mane 1 by 9. 25 into 9 is 1 by 225. This is the final answer. Alright. Now question number 2 le jao. Question number 2 to ase 8 to the power 2 by 3 into 8 to the power 1 by 3 into 8 to the power minus 5 by 3. So what 8 ase, so 8 is 2 cube. So 2 cube to the power 2 by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. 2 cube to the power 1 by 3. Again 3 and 3 cancel. And 2 cube to the power minus 5 by 3. Again 3 and 3 cancel. So this is 2 square. This is 2 to the power 1 and this is 2 to the power minus 5. This 2 square is 4. 4 into 2 by 2 to the power 5. Finally 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 1 by 32. This will give you 4. So 1 by 4, right? So here is a boundary. Alright. So 1 by 4 is the answer of the second question. Now let's go to the third question. The third one, this is a very interesting question. 4 into 25 whole to the power 3 by 2 into 25 whole to the power minus 1 by 2. So very easy actually. 4 into 25 can be written as 5 square whole to the power 3 by 2. A 25 to more 5 square लिखें 5 square whole to the power minus 1 by 2. So 4 to এনেকে থাকক, nothing can be done over here. 2 square to কাটি দিলো, 2 and 2 5 cube থাকি গল, ইয়াতো 2 and 2 কাটি দিলো, 5 to the power minus 1. So this is 4 into 5 cube. Now this will go down as 1 by 5. 5 cube is 5 square. So 4 into 25, 4 into 25 is 100. So that is question number 3. Now finally, let's go to question number 4. Question 4 says 27 to the power 2 by 3 into 16 to the power minus 1 by 4. Again, very easy. 27 is 3 cube whole to the power 2 by 3 and 16 is 2 to the power 4 whole to the power minus 1 by 4. So this 3 and 3 cancel. I am left with 3 square. Here also 4 and 4 cancel. I am left with 2 to the power minus 1. 3 square is 9. 2 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 2. So my final answer is 9 by 2. So these are the solutions of question number 9. Now let's go to question number 10. Now question number 10, all the questions are similar. You have to simplify all of them again. Now I shall do only 2 of them. So let's go to question number 2. It's 3 by 7 whole to the power 3 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 whole to the power 7 by 3. The bases are same, so I'll apply laws of indices. So 3 by 7 whole to the power, because it is divided, so powers will be subtracted. So 3 by 4 minus 7 by 3. So this is 3 by 7 whole to the power 4 and 3. LCM is 12. 4 3, 3 into 3 9, 4 28. This means 3 by 7 whole to the power minus 19 by 12. So that is the answer only. Now let's go to question number 4. So the 10 4 it is 10 4, 27 whole to the power 2 by 3 divided by 27 whole to the power 1 by 3 into 27 whole to the power minus 4 by 3. So 27 is obviously 3 cube whole to the power 2 by 3 divided by 3 cube whole to the power 1 by 3 into 3 cube whole to the power minus 4 by 3. This brings 3 cancel, 3 square divided by 3 cancel, 3 to the power 1 into 3 cancel, 3 to the power minus 4. So this means 3 square is 9 into 1 by 3, taking the reciprocal, into 3 to the power minus 4 means 1 by 3 to the power 4, isn't it? That means it will be now 3, 9 is 3 times, 3 to the power 4 is 3 to the power 3 times. So this will be 1 by 3 cube finally, and 1 3 cube means 27. So our final answer is 1 by 27. Rest of the questions, that is 1 and 3, you can try on your own. In the next video I shall be covering question number 11 and 12.